This is a 3D tiny house design concept with dimension of 7.2 and 3 meters, carrying the concept of a farmhouse with elements of the outer envelope of the building in the form of wooden planks as we see here. One of interesting things about this tiny house is the terrace with a canopy like we see here. In the upper wall elements and under the roof eaves, there are openings in the form of windows which allow natural lighting into the space ideally. Regarding natural air circulation in the tiny house, this is applied to the right side of the tiny house in the form of a grill as we can see. The front door opening in this tiny house is quite modern because it uses a sliding type door like this. This is interesting because the combination of farmhouse and modern becomes one unit, but there is still a correlation between the both. The interior feel of this tiny house is quite comfortable and homey, with wooden wall panels like this giving a warm impression to the inside space. This living room area seems spacious because it faces directly at the transparent glass door opening, which allows you to directly see the atmosphere in the front yard of this tiny house. With a sofa with a capacity of around 2 until 3 people in this living room, it is able to accommodate the needs of this small family living in this tiny house. The kitchen area is quite effective and efficient because almost all kitchen needs such as cooker, oven, cooker hood, cabinet, kitchen sink and also space for a washing machine can be accommodated here. As usual, the dining table area is close to the kitchen like this. With a capacity of up to 2 seats, it is enough to accommodate 2 small family residents, and also the position of the dining table near the window and air ventilation like this creates a comfortable effect when enjoying a meal or drinking coffee. What's interesting here is that the stairs element is not only used as access to the loft, but also as a means of maintaining the bookshelf near the stairs like this. This loft bed area is able to accommodate up to a cot with king-size dimensions because this loft bed maximizes the width of the tiny house at once. The bathroom is located under the loft bed, which is also maximize the width of the tiny house so that this bathroom can accommodate all toilet and bathroom needs later. Okay everyone, basically this spatial arrangement of this tiny house depends on the creativity and needs of each user. In designing a tiny house, user must really classify which elements are needed and which elements are not needed to achieve effectiveness, comfort, and health in the space on tiny house to live in long term. Thank you for enjoying this video and see you in the next video.